My name is Jacques Pienaar. I'm a data engineer at Teraflow, and it's a sick place to work. A data engineer is someone that uses code and infrastructures or resource providers like AWS and Azure, any of these companies, to build large-scale data platforms where data gets processed, where data gets loaded, where it gets stored, and how it moves, how the movement of data happens. On a daily basis, I get up and my first directive of the day is to get a cup of coffee. It's very important. Then, like any person that's working, I take a shower and then I hop on my laptop to get to the stand-up. A lot of my work is remote work, so I'm in Teams meetings all day, in communication constantly over apps like Teams or Zoom or Telegram, talking to all the other developers on my team. We have intermittent meetings throughout the day, and then between those times I get space to work and to focus. So a lot of it would be specifically working with Python at the moment, so a lot of coding being done in Python, some architecture discussions with our seniors. Depending on which position you are at, your day might look a bit different, but it usually starts around 8:30 for me and ends between 5 and 6. The IT field is extremely wide. There are so many different things that you can do, so many things you can touch on, and data engineering is just one of those practices that you can bite your teeth into, or sink your teeth into. It's extremely interesting, it's very complicated, and I'm excited to learn from very smart people that know what they're doing in the industry. My background is with web development and back-end development, database development, and I fully believe that you will not be able to learn everything in the IT industry in your lifetime. I can spend my entire life learning new skills in IT. The most valuable piece of advice that I've ever received is that failure is not losing. You only lose when you stop. Continuously failing and growing as a person through failure is the quickest way to learn and the best way to learn. The hardest lessons that I've had have been my biggest teachers. The most important thing that I've learned on the job is that teamwork is way more important than technical ability. You can be a genius, but if you can't work in a team, you won't get as much done. If you work in a good team and your team trusts you and you are together in this problem-solving experience, it's 10 times better, and you will output something that's so much more valuable than had one person worked on it on their own. At Teraflow, there are very different types of people here that all have their own unique skills, and it meshes very well. We've got very smart people working on extremely complex problems, and the team dynamics here are unmatched. It's a place to network, where you can meet new people, learn new skills, and learn from people that are coming from different walks of life. It's not just a place of work, it's a place to live.